the enmity between the Karbis and Khasipnars created by third forces among these two tribes during the peace meeting in the market of Bukoylum in West Karbi Anglong district. The headmen from both Karbi and Khasipnar stated that all of them wanted peace and free coming and going among these tribes people. They further stated that among both these two tribes there were a few bad character persons. They also stated that there were persons who did not obey to observe social norms and did anti-social activities beyond the control of the headmen, and instead they always tried to overrule the instructions of the headmen of the villages. A large number of people from both Khasipnar and Karbi attended the peace meeting in spite of the economic blockade imposed by a section of Karbi people. Some Karbi speakers accused the Khasipnars of not accepting government development schemes like LP schools and ICDS schemes and not voting during elections in West Karbi Anglong. The speakers from Khasipnar stated that LP school was given with only one teacher and ICDS was given without necessary materials. They did not say why they did not vote in West Karbi Anglong. A person who did not want peace threatened the APHLC that if the APHLC brought peace by allowing both the Karbis and Khasipnars to come and go and mix among themselves freely and peacefully and thereby lift economic blockade against the Khasipnars, and if any criminal act occurred, then the APHLC from polling station committees to constituency committee of Amreng CC committee and to the central APHLC will be targeted by attackers. This is a clear indication that if the APHLC or anybody restores peace among the Khasipnars and the Karbis, some agents provocateurs who are against unity of tribes people will cause murder and arsons. These agents provocateurs are aiming to capture the Amreng Council constituency in council elections, which non-tribal and foreigners and Bongosenas are becoming majority. They want to keep the tribal people in poverty, confused and disunited. The peace committee of that place had, in a peace meeting some days ago, resolved and banned free movement and friendly mixing among the Karbis and Khasipnars by imposing economic blockade against the Khasipnars. In the opinion of the APHLC, this blockade will cause hatred of one tribe against the other, and eventually the enmity between Khasipnars and Karbis will remain forever, and the tribes people will face defeat in any election. This is against the aim and objective of the APHLC. However, for now, The APHLC cannot bring peace because the peace committee, which does not want peace, has been constituted by elected Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the government of Assam. But the APHLC will continue to work to bring peace and unity among the Karbis and Khasipnars and other tribes people. We believe that the tribes people will come to their senses. If during this blockade any criminal incident takes place, the BJP government will be held responsible. The APHLC requests the Khasipnars and Karbis to arrest the anti-social elements among their tribes and judge them in the courts under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India and file FIRs against the criminals under Criminal Procedure Code in case of West Karbi Anglong, Assam. Thank you.